Hello everyone, so we are going to make a peony. So first thing you need to have is color papers and then a round lid. So my lid diameter is around 7 centimeters. Now draw 6 circles on the paper. And yes, your lid could be big or small, that's not an issue. Now cut all your circles and fold in this way. It's very simple, don't worry, just follow my instructions carefully. And yes, if you do not have pink paper, you can also use red or dark pink or purple, that's fine. But make sure you are using green only for making stem. Now coming to the procedures, after making zigzag pattern in one end, you have to put cut mark like this. And don't ever forget to make hole in the middle. Now we will use our fingers to bend these petals because this is one of the most important steps. Now after preparing all the petals, we will move to the stem. Try to roll these as tightly as possible cause stems should not be very thick. Now we will add glue and slides all the petals through below. And that's it, your beautiful flower is ready. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, bye bye.